Welcome back to day 6 of our HTML Mastery Course 2026. And today, listen, we are going to learn one of the most useful HTML elements, list. List help organize information in a clean and readable way. You will see them anywhere on a website, from navigation menu and features list, from product details and documentation. So today we will cover 4 important topics: ordered list, unordered list, description list and nested list. Let's begin with ordered list. An ordered list display item in a numbered sequence. We use it whenever the order of the item is important. So the OL tag means order list tag create the order list, and each item is written using the LI means list item tag. Let's take example. And this example, this is the OL tag, this is the order list, and this is the list item. So when you use the order list OL tag, it's by default get numbering 1, 2, 3. So let's run in a browser. So in a result, you will see here 1, 2, 3. So these 3 items get numbering by default 1, 2, 3. So whenever you need number steps or instruction, use an order list. Now let's learn about unordered list. An unordered list display items using bullets instead of numbers. So we create it using the UL tag. UL tag means unordered list, while each list item is still written with the LI means list item tag. So let's take the example. So here is the UL tag, the unordered list, and in remain the list item is same LI. So let's run in a browser. So here you will see it's using the bullet instead of numbers. Unordered lists are perfect for menus, features list, categories, or whenever the order of item does not matter. Let's learn about description list. A description list is used to display a terms along with its explanation. It uses 3 tags: DL tags, DT tag and DD tag. DL tag means description list, DT means description term, and DT means detailed description. So let's take the example. So here is the DL. DL is the description list stand for, and DT is the term, description term, and then this term detail is inside in the detailed description tag, DT tag. So let's run in a browser. So in a result here, this is the term and this is the term description. So description lists are commonly used for glossaries, FAQs, definitions and product specification. Finally, let's explore nested list. A nested list means placing one list inside another list. This helps organize information into categories and subcategories. Let's take the example. Here is the unordered list, and inside an unordered list have 2 items: programming and database server, and then inside this list item have nested list. This unordered list is a nested list, and then inside this nested list have 3 items: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also here the database server list item have nested unordered list have 3 items: MS SQL server, MySQL server and SQLite. So let's run in a browser. So in a result here is the 2 main item, list item, and these are the nested list, unordered list. So nested lists are widely used for navigation menus, category structure and for hierarchical data. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Ilyasoft and share this course with your friends who want to learn web development from scratch. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Happy coding.